Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can display secondary product image on hover. So currently here you can see when I hover then nothing is changed. So I have installed Botiga WordPress theme. Let me show you the theme, this one. So after that I have installed a plugin that's called Botiga Pro, this one. So now let's go back to the customizer, this one, and after that scroll down. Here you can go to WooCommerce, then product catalog, and now here you can see this one, product card. Scroll down and here you will see product image swap. You can enable it, this one, then click on publish button. So now let's go back and let me open this product, then edit product, and now we need to add one gallery image for this product. So let me go and start adding a gallery image, this one, add to gallery, then click on update product. Now let's go back, reload the page, and now here you can see image is changing when mouse over on it. So this is a great effect in Botiga WordPress.